Yeah.
Unbelievable.
I ain't going to be falling on my arse tonight, am I?
No. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm out doing some free work with the tattoo gardener. Now we're actually at a cat hotel. Don't think there's any in here at the moment. So Pete's just over here. Say hello, Pete.
Hello, mate. How you doing?
Yeah, good. That is the tattoo gardener. Make sure you go over and check his channel out. Pete's gonna plan here is Pete's gonna blow all the leaves off, and then we're gonna get the brush out and then basically start from this end and push everything up into the wooded area. So we'll go get the machine. So Pete hasn't had a go on the new Ego blower yet, so we'll see what he thinks of it. You haven't used an Ego blower before, have you?
Anything Ego, so I'm stoked to have a go on this actually.
Well, this one is not available yet, but it's the most powerful handheld blower on the market.
I've only ever used, the Stihl BG86, the handheld blowers. I've only ever used one of them, handheld blower wise, so. To say that's quite impressive, isn't it, really, for a handheld blower, mate? Wow.
We're not disturbing any of the cats, are we?
No, that's the thing, because ordinarily in the winter I'm using my big blower to clear leaves and stuff in here, so obviously it makes a lot of noise and the cats are freaking out, so yeah. This is wicked, isn't it? Do you know what's really impressed me with this? The fact that these are wet leaves. I know they're not really thick or anything, but they're still wet. And they're normally harder to blow than obviously dry leaves. So that's so cool.
So, as always, this will be the moment of truth. Will this start? Will this not start? Fingers crossed. So I've cleaned along here up this stretch. It's come up really well, to be fair. You all right there, mate? Yeah. So now we're going to get on this section. This isn't the worst bit, but it is coming up really well. This, I think, will be some transformation when we get onto there. Right, so we're going to get on to probably the worst section now, this one. You're going to be satisfied with this, aren't you?
I'm going to be well satisfied. I'm satisfied with that. Look how good that is. That is insane. Like, this is going to be... It's just going to be amazing. Like, when the customer comes back from a holiday, she's going to be blown away by this. She's going to be like...
New sight, innit?
Yeah, completely, mate, honestly. And when the customers come in, there's less chance of them slipping and falling over and stuff, you know? So,
So Pete's just removing the excess here.
thought I'd make myself useful.
Nice and dry as well, mate. It's not wet. A lot of people say, why don't you pressure wash it? Now you could pressure wash this, but this would be so wet and heavy and sloppy that I still think it's better to brush it. And then if you really wanted to pressure wash after, then pressure wash. What do you think's better, Pete? Pressure washing or the brush?
Well, I would say brush first,
Yeah.
100%.
Yeah.
Just when you look at how thick it was to how it is now, like you've just said, I would brush it first, get the worst of it off, and then if
Pressure
you wanna
wash
pressure
if
wash
they
it-
wanted to.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Well, it's going to make your life easier as well, and it's going to be less messy in the long run. So,
Yeah.
yeah.
Right, so we're going to give Pete a quick lesson on the Westerman brush. It's not that difficult, but your shoulders are going to be in bits. Right, so on here, mate, you've basically got neutral in the middle,
Yep.
and then you've got 3 gears in that direction and then 3 gears in that direction. So if you pull the red lever in,
Yep.
give it a pull,
Is this like a mower where if you let go of that?
yeah,
it cuts?
then it'll cut out, yeah. That's it.
That is insanely hard.
How's your shoulders?
How have you done all that? I've done a few lines there, mate, and I was like, I can't hold the bloody thing.
Yeah. Some people do say
I'm out of breath. My
it's
heart is racing.
brutal on your body, but I think obviously I've done so much of it now that I obviously am used to it.
You must be like a tank. I need an inhaler. Wow.
So it's definitely transformed. Shall I carry on doing the brushing?
I'm gonna. If I do that, I'm gonna need an ambulance. Honestly, I cannot. I said it before, but I can't believe it. I don't know how you do that. You make it look so easy, and it's not easy. I'm not ashamed to admit, as a 42-year-old man, that's fucking hard.
So that's all the brushing done. Really, really happy with how all this has all come out. It's nice to see Pete actually doing something now.
I'll have to be honest, I feel like I'm a bit of a spare part today because CJ is the brain. Honestly, you're the brains behind this. It's hard going. I don't know how you do it every day, mate. It's tough. It's a lot more harder than just normal gardening, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like maintenance suddenly seems like a doddle.
Yeah.
I'm not going to know myself. It's like having a day off when I go back to work now. It's like, but yeah, this is incredible.
Sit, blow, and then.
Yeah, then I'll give my guys
sorted.
a little walk around so they can see. But
yeah,
it's looking good, man.
I think this bit's done.
Wow.
Much better, isn't it?
Yeah.
Unbelievable.
I ain't going to be falling on my arse tonight.
No.
Yeah, that's it. I say when it gets wet and icy, normally it's so dangerous for you. So. Yeah, having it nice.
It's not just us, some of the elderly customers.
Exactly, if someone's coming in with a cat or a customer and they slip on that, then obviously they might say you're liable, I don't know, but...
I doubt it if you warn them.
Yeah.
Most of them are really good though.
Yeah.
Some of the older ones, it's fine. Because I had one come in, I know she doesn't walk that well.
Yeah.
And I said to her, that is just so icy.
Yeah.
I'll go and bring your cat to you. I said, because what I don't want is you falling over. Because this area here was just one sheet.
Was it?
Yeah.
Very dangerous.
Sheet, yeah. And I thought, do you know what? I'm here on my own. I don't really want. Well, I've got Jackie with me, but she's Emma's mum. But other than that, I'm here by my own.
Yeah.
And I don't really want to be having to call ambulances because someone slipped over.
No, exactly.
No. You won't slip over on this now.
No, definitely not.
So, end of the video now. It's cleaned up really well. Pete's impressed, didn't you, mate?
Mate, I have been blown away by it. I say I've said it 1,000 times in your video, but I'm blown away by how good this has come up. And honestly, my client's going to be so happy. So.
And it hasn't taken long, has it?
It hasn't actually, to be fair.
You think it's 11 o'clock now? We've probably got here about 8:30, but chit-chatting and filming adds a bit of time.
Yeah, it does. But yeah, no, it's. I say certainly, even if you did pressure wash it, like I know some people say, you know, you could have just pressure washed it, you couldn't because it would make more mess. But if you did, it would take way longer.
Oh yeah.
Way longer. And the results speak for themselves, mate. So yeah, it's really good.
That's all right. So make sure you go and check out Pete's channel. We'll put a link to that down below, and we'll see you in the next one.